It is the head scratcher of the night. This Volusia County inmate is suing over dental floss. Yeah, Kelsey Turner says he doesn't get dental floss behind bars and his teeth are now rotting. He wants to act as his own attorney, and he also wants $150,000 for his dental damage. Let's talk with Whitney Boan, criminal defense attorney. And Whitney, this guy wants to sue because he's not getting dental floss in jail and his teeth are falling out. Brush your teeth, and I do applaud his dental hygiene, but they're not supposed to get dental floss in jail, are they?
No.
No.
I mean, it's possible if there's a doctor who has specifically prescribed that somebody needs the dental floss in order to care for their dental care because they have some special issue. However, you can understand that jail obviously is going to have concerns that this could lead to the formation of weapons or other dangerous devices that inmates could use in order to harm each other or even corrections officers. There's a concern there.
People would laugh when you say they would use dental floss as a weapon, but you would be surprised, wouldn't you, what these guys can figure out how to make a weapon out of.
As a criminal defense attorney, I personally would not be surprised, but I believe that many people actually would be. I mean, there are things that are so illogical to even think that could be weapons, but, you know, when someone has a lot of time on their hands, they're going to come up with some pretty creative ways to make things that could be used in a dangerous method to harm somebody else.
And this guy obviously has some time on his hand. Maybe he's read a law book or two because he's defending himself in this.
Yes, he's been in jail pending charges, I guess some stalking charges, some child abuse charges for the past 2 years, actually, which is a little unorthodox. It's not unheard of, but for someone to be in jail for that long, pending even going to trial or having some resolution of their case, I mean, he's got a lot of time on his hands.
But didn't you just say fool for a client if you are defending yourself?
The lawyer who represents himself has a fool for a client.
That's what
I think is the age-old adage. But, you know, I think it could apply here as well. He may, on the other hand, have legitimate issues as far as the standard of care that he should have been afforded. However, that would be pretty ascertainable in terms of what steps were taken on the front end as opposed to, you know, him saying, now I have all these problems because I didn't have dental floss. Did he have a doctor prescribe it in the first place? Was that pursued with the jail, or was he just asking for it like anybody else and wasn't getting it? You know, there's a difference.
Well, let's just get the guy a water pick and move on. All right, Whitney Boan, good talking to you.
Thanks.